Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds Edifier X5 Pro. So firstly we need to locate touch areas, and touch areas located at the back side of your earbuds. Right here at the top we have it. It's the same for the right earbud. So by default, to call a Siri, you need to press and hold at the touch area on your left or right earbud. Now let's check it. So I press and hold. And as you can see, Siri is awake. But we can customize it, so we can add it for another gesture. To do this, you need to open Edifier Connect application. And if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as me, this one. Now you need to click at the settings icon at the right top and go to control settings. And now you can set it for the double press or triple press, because by default it already uses it. Decide you want to use the left or right earbud and tap at the best one for you. You can use the both of it. I'm going to use it for the right earbud, and then decide you want to use the double press or scroll down and select triple press. And for the press and hold you can also select something else. Now I wanna add this feature for the double press for the right earbud. So I click at the voice assistant here and the double press, and now let's check it. So I press 2 times at my right earbud, 1, 2, and Siri also awake, so it works. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!